Hey everybody, welcome back to Ski Play Live TV. I'm Jill, and today I'm talking about the fact that we are about to do an adventure of a lifetime. Ever since I heard that Disney was doing this thing called Adventures by Disney, I have been researching it, following the blogs, watching some videos, and it's been on my bucket list since then. And I thought, okay, which one would I want to go on as a very, very expensive trip that I wouldn't do myself? And it's to Vietnam. We're going to Cambodia, Laos, Vietnam in June, and I'm so excited. It's been a long time coming. I've been dreaming of this trip forever. It's a once in a lifetime deal, and I got myself on the waiting list. I waited and waited. I have a friend who is a Disney travel agent for Journeys. Her name is Tanya, and so she was watching this for me as well, and all of a sudden 3 spots opened up. I said yes. It's a month away. I used points to book our flight. Stupid Disney, I gotta say this. They are not doing the greatest job of the pre-trip stuff. I've done it all myself. They thought that it would cost me $21,000 to fly from Salt Lake to Saigon for 3 people. No, we are able to travel for 3 people for about $3,000, so $1,000 each. It's a little spendy, but you're traveling across the world, across the globe, so it's gonna be an expensive flight. I see those people who do point stuff all the time. I don't know how they travel for free, but this is as close to free as we could get. Just now, this box arrived. Disney sent us a little box to help us prepare for the trip. So let's take a look and see what's inside. So this is Disney's first exciting step. Like I said, they didn't really help me with all the plans. I had to do it all myself. And you would think with a trip that costs as much as it does, that it would be white glove for the whole process. I think it starts now. Dance, learn, make memories. We have, I'm not sure what this is. This is a strap that you put on your luggage so that they can tell you are with Adventures by Disney. When you get to the airport, there will be somebody there holding an orange sign as well that you can connect with, and they help get you through customs in Saigon. We have lanyards. I hope you don't have to wear this throughout the whole trip. It's paper. It's not going to fare very well. It says Adventures by Disney, and you're going to put your name on it, but it's paper. The group is about 40 to 50 people. So I don't know if we all do everything as a group together or if we're kind of divided into smaller groups. But we have our lanyards. Let's adventure together. Let's prepare together. Check the email address provided at the time of booking for a link to download your adventure handbook. I already did that. Forward your email to other guests traveling in your party so they can download the adventure handbook. And then let's pack together. Bring these amenities along with the paper luggage tags. Many locations will require your lanyard and name tag for group identification and facility clearance. And then share together. So I'm sharing. With my flight, we do get free luggage. Didn't have to pay extra for that. We are traveling internationally. Not first class, not business class, just coach, but free luggage. And this is so you can tip your guides. Okay, little envelopes. I have a little backpack, a satchel. And it says Adventures by Disney right there. And it's a nice vinyl. Let's see what's inside. We have metal water bottles. They're actually quite nice. They've got the rubber bottom on it and a little thing to hang. And it says, very small, Adventures by Disney. And we got 3 of those. 3 water bottles.
Because we need more water bottles.
My family's cringing right now because we have a refrigerator full of water bottles. And this is the start of our adventure, and they want us to bring this. It is padded, so that's nice. Take care. Stay tuned for more videos about our adventure in Vietnam.